Alright, let's open this up and see what you get inside your MyProtector membership pack. So the first thing you'll see are your MyIce cards. These are your personal emergency cards. You carry one with you in your wallet, car, or phone cover, so emergency services can immediately access your details if something happens. Each card links directly to your emergency profile on your private vault. You'll also get your merchant card if you choose to become a merchant partner. This connects you to the membership plan benefits and the Finder Provider products discount included with your membership. It also gives you a way to give people a 20% discount on their membership through you and allows you to receive recurring income and rewards. Under the MyIce flaps, you'll find these service cards. Each one explains a specific service you now have access to and gives simple activation instructions. Every card guides you to your MyProVault dashboard. All you need to do is log in and click on Activate Your Services Now. You can see each of the services and the links you can follow to activate them in your own time. Once done, your fundamental financial and estate planning is complete. That's it. Everything you need is already included here. Follow the cards, activate your services inside MyProVault, and you're all set to go. Simple, step by step, all in one place. Take your time and enjoy the process. Cheers.